hundreds of exclusive and rare cars of different years of release had been gathered at the largest technical festival of Ukraine OldCarLand. In this issue you will see classic and retro motorcycles of various years. OldCarLand participants include cars, trucks, buses, motorcycles and bicycles. The oldest cars of the festival are over 80 years old. Many of them are the only ones left in the entire world. A lot of models that have been produced in a short time in small batches will come here on their own without assistance. These are transitional, small-scale and experimental cars. You can also see cars that had belonged to famous and influential people. The full line of Soviet business-class cars of the 1940s-1990s of release will be demonstrated. Among them ZIS, ZIM, ZIL, GAS. In addition, you can admire both luxurious Maserati, Rolls-Royce, Mercedes-Benz, and sports cars from the 1970s and 1980s. Subscribe to the channel, comment on the video and click on the bell. See you soon, friends.